Hello guys, welcome to the video, and today I'll be showing you guys a very important tool that you can use to find hidden files that are using up a lot of space. So maybe if you're running low on storage and you really don't know what's occupying your space, this app is going to help you a lot. So first of all, you're just going to go to your browser, whatever browser you're using. I'm using Opera GX, and then you're just going to search for WizTree. So once you search for WizTree, it should be the first one that pops up. This one exactly, WizTree, the fastest disk space analyzer. So click on it. Okay, so once it opens, as you can see, it's WizTree, the fastest disk space analyzer. So just click download. Okay, so once the site opens, as you can see, it says download installer or download portable. So for us, we're just going to download the installer. And then just click save on the selected folder. Okay, so here it is, and we're just going to click on it. Click OK. I accept the agreement. Click next. Then create. You can if you want a desktop shortcut or a quick launch shortcut. But as for me, I already have it installed. So once you've finished installing it, you're just going to come here and search for WizTree. And then we're gonna run it as administrator. And here we are. So once we're here, all we're going to do is press scan over here. Just give it some time. Okay guys, here we are, and as you can see, I only have 234 GB and 153 GB is used, and I have 83 GB free space. So from here we can check and maybe even look for what's really using up most of our storage. And I'd very much recommend you don't touch any of this. Anything that has .sys in it, anything in the Windows folder as well, don't touch at all. And you also really need to be very careful with what you're going to delete, because it might affect your laptop a lot. So delete what you're sure is deletable or won't affect your laptop in a bad way. So the first thing I'm noticing here is this game that I have called Alpha Legends. I stopped playing it a long time ago, and I even forgot I have it on my laptop. So this is something I'm going to delete. Of course, I can't delete it like directly from here. I have to open Epic and delete it from there. And also another thing I've noticed is Unity. I stopped Unity. I'm doing software development, and I had a Unity course last semester, and I was using Unity, but I'm not going to use it again, so there's no reason why I should have it. So that's another 7.4 GB plus another 8.7 GB. And then also CapCut. I'm thinking of using a different editing software, because CapCut is just getting a bit crazy. And yeah, so as you can see from that, I'm going to save 9.6, 8.7, and 7.4 GB. Okay. So on the right side, color codes and shows you like where all the extensions are. So as you can see, orange means .dll, and all of these orange things here are .dll. I'd recommend you don't delete them, because some of them are usually system files. So as you can see here, we have system32, and it has quite a number of orange DLL files. So I'd recommend you don't touch them. If you're going to delete anything, make sure you first look at, okay, if you're going to delete anything, make sure it's something that won't affect the computer in a bad way. Anyways guys, that's the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next video.